Hello, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thank you so much. And we are meeting the very first time. Would you please introduce yourself?
Sure. Yes, my name is Atul and I'm from Delhi and I'm a teacher by profession. It's been 3 years that I have been working in a private school and currently I'm working in an institution and there I'm providing spoken classes to the students. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, so I love to play cricket, talk with the people and know about them. And yeah, that's all about me. So could you please introduce yourself as well?
Definitely. Good to know about you. I'll introduce myself. I'm Chitra. I was born and brought up in Pondicherry, but I'm currently living in Kolkata. I have been living here for the past 5 years. I have completed masters in management. I worked in corporate sector in the various fields, especially marketing and management. Now I quit my job because of my family responsibilities. And as for my hobbies, it changes day by day. Nowadays, I love to learn languages, especially Hindi and Bengali, and I'm so passionate about English language. I love interacting with people and I'm living my passion. I'm so happy about it. That's all about me.
Yeah, that's good to know about that. But I did not get one thing. I could not digest one thing. Like as you said, like my hobbies change on daily basis. Like how is it possible? Like
Yes, maybe, yes, definitely. Before marriage, I had a lot of, hobbies, but after marriage, everything has changed because of my kids and families. I usually love to read books, but I don't have time because of my kids. When I take book, my kids, tear some pages, they throw the book some other times. So that's the reason. My hobbies changes because of my kids. It changes day by day. That's why I said like that.
okay, okay, I got it. And that good to know. And once I had a conversation with your daughter as well. Like and good to know that she, being such a teenage, she like she's learning a lot of things. I mean, she's having grasp over a couple of language on such a tender age and all. So good to know about that.
She's so addicted in YouTube channel. She said
Okay.
many times she wants to do something especially in YouTube. She is just 6 years old. How can I allow her? So finally we decided, okay, let's start a YouTube channel because of her. We have to make some kind of conversation. So in that way, she can learn English in a faster and easiest way. So that's the
Yeah.
reason she has a new channel and she started, make conversation with other people nowadays. She's so happy about this. I'm also happy because she's using her time in a protective way. That's the reason.
Yeah. That's good actually. Like because that's how a student or like any kid can become mature as well. With the time and can learn a lot of things. So yeah, she's making most of her actually time and opportunity. That's good to know.
Definitely. Are you a teacher? What kind of subject do you teach? Tell me something about the teaching journey also.
Yeah, like as I told you earlier, I was teaching. Like it's been about 3.5 years that I have been working in a private school. But currently, just I quit my job as well because currently I'm preparing for some competitive examinations. Yeah, and so yeah, like if I talk about teaching journey, so I just started, like I had, like I mean, I was in a preparation only, so I thought like when I start teaching, so I would have enough time to prepare and do my studies and all. But when I just started my journey, teaching journey, so I realized, oh, I'm not getting time. It's not like typical 6 hour, 7 hour job. Even sometimes it's more than that. So then it took my 3 years in that process itself, and then I realized, okay, now I need to quit it and need to be more focused about my studies and all. So just I quit it, and now I'm started working in institution. So there I'm providing spoken classes along with academic as well. Yeah,
Okay, good to know about that because you have board behind in you, though that's why I asked you. Okay.
yeah. So by the way, it's my study room, and I'm working in institution, not like here only, but yeah.
Are you taking online classes or offline classes also?
No, only offline classes, not online. Only offline.
Okay,
I
okay.
have, yeah, I got to know a lot of people like you there, like in, like this, like I'll say the application or like that. A lot of people are there who are teaching, online and all, and they are learning and all. So, but yeah, like I haven't started it as such, online classes. So, what about you? Do you also teach, like, or like currently, or this?
No, actually, I worked in corporate sector, especially marketing and management, and I
Mm,
was not satisfied with that kind of job. Finally, I found my job, just like Ikigai. So that was my, teaching job. I worked as an assistant professor in a college. I have taken classes, for related to BBA, BCom related subjects. Almost I have, I had 5 years experience, but I worked in South India, which is in Pondicherry. So my mother tongue Tamil. After I got married, I settled in Kolkata. So here, most of the people are speaking their own mother tongue, especially Hindi and Bengali. My basic problem, I don't know these two languages, especially Hindi and Bengali. So now I quit my job because of my family responsibilities. Because I have two kids. My elder daughter is 6 year old and my son is 2.5 years old. So I think I want to spend more time with my kids because that's my first priority. Maybe after 2 to 3 years later, I will get back my job. So I must say, 7 to 8 years gap, I must say, because I quit everything, but I restarted my journey again. So I love interacting with people. So I want to connect with more people on daily basis. So that's the reason I'm here. I enhancing myself because after 2 to 3 years, I will get back my job. That's the reason.
that's good. I mean, really, it's good to know. Actually, like right now you can, brush up on your language as such, and because that's, I mean, we find it's the biggest barrier, when we try to work at a great level, a good position and all. So sometimes, like our language become a barrier. So it's good to know, like
Exactly.
that you are doing, leveling up your language and all, and yeah,
Hmm.
that's a good way.
Okay.
So what's your hobbies and all?
My
What do you love to do in your
hobbies.
free time? Yeah, although you
I
don't get
usually
time.
definitely.
Mm,
I usually love to read books. That's my favorite hobbies. I have read all kinds of books, especially my own mother tongue. Then I started my English language related books also. My favorite author is Sudha Murthy and Ruskin Bond.
okay.
Almost I have covered, 10 books. That's it only.
Yeah, good to know. Yeah, like Sudha Murthy, I have, even like listen her lot of, podcasts or kind of interviews and all. And even, yeah, I have also read one of her books. Like in the past, I have read a couple of, because she has written a couple of books. Yeah, like she's one of the renowned author, I'd say. Yeah, and quite famous in, Insta and all other stuff as well, in terms of, like.
And tell me about your, English language journey. And when did you start your English language journey? Who motivates you to start teaching? Who is your
That's a
inspiration?
very Yeah, that's a very
Mm.
interesting question actually, and I love to answer. Yeah, like if I talk on this journey as such, so it's not has been, what you call that, bed of roses at all, So I see that I have put in couple of years to this. Like I say, like approx 6 7 years that I have put into this language, because I do belong to the kind of family, middle class family, where we have our mother tongue. We just love to talk in our mother tongue only, and we don't have that kind of exposure also where we can, talk in this language, so calling English language. So it was quite, and I do have done my education from government school. Like I am born and brought up in Delhi itself, and but I have done my schooling from government school, and yeah, and so I did not have that kind of, environment exposure and all. Then I went into college, English, like, I took my every stuff in English medium, and like, and college we see a lot of people are there, from different, walks of, I mean, different states and all, like. So there I got a bit more exposure, like how important this language is. So, and from, I'll say, from 10th class onwards, like earlier I was quite active in sports activities. I love to play, as I told you. So I was playing badminton, cricket, and wrestling, other kind of stuff. But later on, I realized, okay, like I have to get into good college also, and then other things. So I just start working on my language itself, and I just got fascinated with this language. So whenever I used to write any article and all, so I always try to use some good words.
Okay, okay. Good to know about you. Because based upon your experience, now you are a best teacher, I think so.
Thank you, thank you.
Mm,
Yeah, but still, I feel there's a lot. It's like a sea. Where as much as we just try to go into this, we will just find okay, still there's a lot miles to go. So it's like that only because the way I started. I mean, and the thing, one most important thing is that those who want to learn this language as well. So I would like to tell them as well, like no, you need to enjoy your process also. Unless you enjoy this process, so it will become monotonous, boring, and you will not feel like doing it. Okay, so you'll put in between. So the thing is that you need to enjoy this also. And on the other hand, although I'm in my preparation mode most of the time, but sometime I have left so many other things also for this language, I'll say, because I mean, like most of the time, rather than preparing my content or like other stuff and all, just mostly I just get into this language itself. So sometimes make sure that you keep it balanced. If you have some other priorities in your life, if you have some, so make sure that you do justice with that also, rather than just keep going into this language itself. Because for us it become need, but for most of the people they have the kind of luxury. They already having the kind of environment. If I talk about
mm,
your daughter, she's already getting the kind of ambience where she can, what you call that, flourish and all. But on the other hand,
mm.
we need to work, like I need to work for that. I need to create my own artificial environment as such, where I just try to groom myself. So somehow, we have to, but make sure that if you have some other ambitions in your life, or if you want to be something, so yeah, take this as a language only. Do not just go mad or go banana for this. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, I'll say it's important, but not everything. That I'm realizing gradually.
Definitely, based upon the experience, we know everything. You said about my daughter, no? Actually, I'm the role model for my daughter because I
Yeah.
usually don't watch, any kind of series or movies on regular basis. I always prefer, English related content, conversational videos, any native speakers videos. She always asks me, why you are watching this kind of videos? I said, I learned English by myself. I faced many humiliation in front of others. I faced many hurdles and burdens also. After I realized, English is the only one thing for me. So that's the reason I also created, some kind of English environment to my daughter. So that's why she is learning this language.
Yeah, so literally, like I, although I don't, as I told you, I'm bachelor, but through the experience of these all the thing, that you know, it's all that how we teach a lot of things to our, like the way we behave, it also going to get implemented in our kid also. So it's very important that we create such kind of environment or the ambience where they can nurture themselves properly. So we need to provide them the kind of environment as well. That's very important, and good to know that you provide them, because the way we act now, our children also start behaving that way. If you
Hmm.
start watching using cell phone, they are also will feel free to use. They will ask for cell
They
phone
will
and other
do the
stuff.
same.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So that's very important. If you're reading book, so they will also look and try to just have a look of the book, whether they understand or they read it or not, but they will try to, okay, I also need a book. So that's very important from the beginning, that we start striving for these kind of things, and that's very important for you also, and for whole family actually. So yeah.
Yes, yes, you are right. Okay, we will connect next time. You know,
So
okay.
sure.
It was a nice
And extremely sorry
conversation.
for the, yeah,
It's okay,
same
no
here, but
issues.
yeah, extremely sorry for that. Yeah, like, yeah, but good to know that you're working great. Yeah, and you will achieve what you want. Mm. Thank you.
Same to you, and we will connect soon. Thank you so much.
Sure. Yeah, welcome, welcome. Thank you, ma'am.